welcome, my name is Tara. In today's video I will show you how to create this logo animation in After Effects. So let's get straight into the video. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Press Ctrl N to create new composition. The composition name is 2D animation. And the resolution is 1920 by 1080. Frame rate 60 fps. Resolution is full and duration is what you want. Just click on OK. Double click over here, add your go to your file. Add this. Select this. Default is to composition within layer size. Import it into composition. Okay. Select everything. Right click. Go to create and create shape from vector layer. Select this. Go to label color and select label color group and hold delete and rename it one by one. Okay. Lock this and hide this. Okay. Duplicate it. Select this. Lock this and hide this. Select this one and change it angle point over here. Okay. And select this and change the rotation what you want. Like this. Repeat the same process. Okay, rename it to one by one. Five. Okay, yeah. Go to layer. Go to layer. New and null object. Rename it to flower compose. Okay. Select everything. Parent this with this level controller. Okay. Select this controller. Press R. But first, But first, select everything and this to none. Select this controller and center it. Okay, select everything and parent this with this. Here, press R for animation. Create a keyframe on this. Click on this stopwatch for adding keyframes. Put this ahead and increase the rotation what you want. I like it to 300. Like so. This to like this. And this will be perfect. So this so. And we have this animation. Select this, press F9, go to graph editor and create graph like this. Check the RAM preview. This is too fast, adjust the values. Yeah, like this. So, what? Okay, we have this nice animation. Okay, select this, press P for position and put this over here and create keyframes. Select this, this position is over here, select 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 this position is over here. And we have this nice animation. Yeah, like so. Press F9, go to graph editor. Graph to look like this. Okay, and we have this nice animation like this. Okay, is it like so? Go over here, select everything and press Shift S. Create a keyframe, put this ahead like this and the scale value is 0. And we have this animation. Select this, press F9, go to graph editor, graph to look like this. But this is not just keep scrolling. Press F9, go to graph editor, graph to look like this. And we have this nice animation. Calculations. We have this logo animation. Okay, this is great. Create a ellipse like this. Fill is totally none. Increase the stroke. Select this. Select eyedropper and select this color. Yeah, the stroke is select to 1 to 2%. Anchor point is in the center and scale up it like this. Go over here and rename it to stroke. Go to content ellipse 1, ellipse path 1. Now go to stroke. Create keyframe of stroke width. Put this ahead and this to 0. And we have this stroke width animation. Okay, like this. Okay, go over here. Press Shift S. Press S. Create keyframe. Press Q to reveal keyframes. Put this ahead like here and scale as 0%. But select this to 0. Right click keyframe assistant and time reverse keyframes. And we have this animation. Since this video is too long, time is limited, I releasing a part 2. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel so you don't miss it.